This LOSSIGY 48V golf cart battery kit uses automotive-grade lithium iron phosphate cells, so it delivers strong power with very stable performance on hills and rough courses. The high usable capacity and ability to connect multiple packs in parallel give golf carts and recreational vehicles noticeably longer runtime between charges. A robust smart battery management system with high continuous and surge current support makes it a solid match for demanding controllers and quick acceleration without voltage sag. Compared with a bank of traditional lead-acid batteries, this single lightweight unit is much easier to install, wire, and maintain in a standard 48V golf cart bay. The included lithium charger and clear display simplify day-to-day charging and monitoring, which helps protect the pack and extend its service life. Its weather-resistant housing and wide operating temperature range make it well-suited for outdoor use in golf carts, solar setups, and recreational vehicles across different climates.